did you do with your carrots?
Candy dancer. Oh, what you got? What you got? Your hay?
She got her hay.
Candy.
All you do is eat candy. Candy. Candy, chewy face. Chewy face. Kitty, come on. When the brain starts to watch. Oh, don't let them start on this.
There's Susan. And Candy.
Doesn't she look cute?
Yeah.
English?
Show up.
What was that big thing? I want.
What's
No.
And Candy will go.
that's better candy? Two balls.
One more time.
Good.
She's got a blow her nose out. There we go.
Who's pushing? You pushing? Let's go.
Dad on an English saddle. This is a first.
He looks like he rides saddles.
He rides Weston. Yep. Used to be a trick rider. What was that big thing? Gallop!
Come on, Candy.
She's used to a lot of leg. You have to kick her hard.
Squeeze. Squeeze
No,
with your
kick.
legs.
Squeeze.
Kick. I'd get a tighter rein than that, Dad. God. Take it.
Tom, I'm debating. Should I get on her bare back?
No.
Do you want to be on there?
She's gonna pull me all over the place.
No.
Stay.
Not if you don't let her.
Stay. Stay. Oh, Susan. You gonna stay?
She's fine.
Back in the saddle again.
Hurry up, I don't want to hold up.
Yeah. That's it? One verse?
Boy.
Boy.
Jump! Oh, Jesus. You're definitely a Western rider.
The way he holds it.
Whoa!
Where is?
Before you do?
This is a horse. Candy will go wherever she wants to go.
She's gonna go over the jump.
I gotta get a cigarette.
Gotta get.
Going around in circles. Where did Susan go?
She went to get a cigarette.
Oh, great. This bus is gonna go on. Why are you going about? Not having a horn.
I know it. No Western saddle. Wow, look at this.
She's fine, Ma. She's fine.
She's bareback, right?
Yeah. Probably put my back out.
Okay, we go see Mama now. I got to ride the baby, the big baby.
Gee, never rode her before.
Yes, she did. She got on her once.
What's the?
But Candy, you know, last time you got on her, she was probably 5 years old. She's 12 now, Ma.
Would have been nice. Never ride him bareback at camp to try to fall.
Yeah, I saw that.
You know what, Susan? Without the Western saddle, you see more of her here.
Yeah.
You know, this is way back. Unreal.
More body contact to the horse compared to Western, and you're all saddle underneath you. You don't feel the horse.
Do I
really.
sit good in the saddle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Arch that back. Oh.
Oh.
Good girl.
Good baby.
Nice. This lasts 2 to 3 days on. Good girl.
They brought you home. She's so pretty.
Get that cigarette.
Do that with your nose.
Susan, get that cigarette out of your mouth. You look like a gun mall.
Like this corral.
This is nice out here.
This used to be 6 individual paddocks.
Oh,
They
real?
tore down. They're gonna put lights up on the roof
Oh, yeah?
tonight.
Here we go. See how nice she goes for her?
Yeah.
She knows her. See? Look at this. The jockey. My daughter, the jockey.
My daughter, the jockey, huh?
She's
He did that shadow, he'd be out.
Huh?
He did that shadow, he'd be gone.
really? Well, bring him out here.
No. No.
How would he know?
He's only kidding there.